Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. It's time for another handgun showdown. This time we have Taurus handguns versus Remington handguns. But before we do that, let's take a look at the last handgun showdown where we had Sig Sauer versus Glock. This was a pretty popular handgun showdown, I have to say, but with a total of 362 votes coming in, 159 went to Glock and 203 went to Sig Sauer. So for this handgun showdown, Sig Sauer won. I have to say, most people said that they own both, they appreciate both, but by and large, Sig Sauer had more votes. Let's get to Taurus versus Remington. Let's start with the Taurus G2C. Here we have a very popular model from Taurus. People love it. It's budget price. It does have a 3.2-inch barrel. Comes with two 12-round magazines, and it will also accept a Sig Sauer P226 15-round magazine. They call it double action, single action. It does have a trigger bar safety in there, but it's a nice trigger pull, and then the reset's rather short for the follow-up shots. For a budget gun, it has quite a few features with a thumb safety here, adjustable rear sights, loaded chamber indicator, a rail, nice texturing on the grip. A lot of people carry it. You know, it's actually quite small for a double stack subcompact 9mm handgun. A lot of people trust their lives with the Taurus G2C. This is the model after the PT-111 that enjoys a very fine reputation. Over here we have a Taurus Spectrum in 380. Very light gun. You know, it's right around 10 ounces unloaded. It does come with a 7 and a 6-round magazine. This is the 7-round magazine. The 6-round has a flat base plate, but it does have this rubber overmold grip. It comes in various colors and all different kinds of combinations. This one's a little unique. Many people say it looks like a squirt gun, and they are not wrong. But this is said to offer a fine grip whether the conditions are dry or wet. Even has that rubber right there where the slide serrations typically are. Long double action trigger pull, and it does have reach strike capability. Very light. You know, when I took it to the range, it was extremely accurate. I did have a couple light primer strikes, and then with the restrike capability kicked in, it set off that round, and it worked okay. Very much integrated sights there. You have to, you know, pick up that picture, especially with a dark target. A lot of people are using nail polish in the front to pick up that front sight. I should probably do that one day. And then we have the Taurus TH9C. Now this is the subcompact model with a 3.54-inch barrel. It's priced right around $300, and it does have a thumb safety decocker. Comes with a 13 and a 17-round magazine, ambidextrous mag release, and Novak rear sights. And so people wanted a double action, single action firearm from Taurus in the subcompact category, and Taurus came out with the TH9C, and a lot of people are liking that gun as well. Now let's check out Remington handguns. Taurus makes revolvers and 1911. Remington does not make revolvers, but they make excellent 1911s, and this is what I consider one of their finest models. This is a double stack R1 Limited. Holds 15 rounds of 45 ACP with a 4-pound single action trigger pull. Flared out magwell, G10 grips, adjustable rear sights, fiber optic front sight, and a beautiful look and feel to it with a high capacity of 15 rounds in the 1911. I find it to be pretty amazing. Very much a nice shooter. I really do enjoy this, and I think this is one of Remington's finest handguns right here. But on the budget side of things, here we have the RP9. I think I have some, yeah, I've got some rounds in there, so we'll do a safety check there. Yep, completely unloaded. You right around $250 will get you the RP9. It is a full-size gun with a 4.5-inch barrel. Rather thin grip for a double stack mag. It does hold 18 rounds. Front serrations. I actually shoot the lights out really well with this gun. It does have a rail there, and the trigger is nice. Right there, I measure right around 5.25 pounds, and there is your reset. For a full-size gun that holds 18 rounds, right around $250, I think the RP9 is a solid choice. And over here we have the RM380. Holds 6 rounds in the mag. Does come with a flat base plate. This is the extended base plate. Both hold 6 rounds. Metal frame, double action trigger. Okay, hammer fired gun. See that hammer out there. But it's a solid gun. I've run all types of ammo through this gun. It performed outstanding. Yet to have a failure. Also has integrated rear and front sights. But a solid 380 handgun, and many people I know have this and love it. You could pocket carry it, you could holster it, you could feel very comfortable carrying this because it is reliable. It's a proven design, and the RM80 is a solid handgun. So which of these companies do you think make better handguns? Is it Taurus or is it Remington? Let me know what you think. I'll add them up and report the results back with the next Handgun Showdown. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.